Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this dash cam from Lanmodo. This is their D1 model. A link to this will be included in the video description. This dash cam kit includes a total of 3 cameras. One for facing ahead of the vehicle, one for in the interior, and another one for facing the rear of the vehicle. This is the ultimate camera to keep you and your passengers safe in one small package. When opening the box, you'll find that it's neatly packed. Upon opening, you will see a brief user guide. Next is the camera. Here you can see the compact design, which won't impede your view through the windshield. The front-facing camera can record up to 4K quality, while the interior and rear-facing cameras are rated at 1080p. This camera includes a bunch of accessories as well, which I'll show you in a moment. The camera is also equipped with a built-in GPS to monitor your speed, location, route, and time. It has Wi-Fi capabilities that can be used with an app to edit the menu settings, review footage, download, and share videos easily. Next is a parking mode to ensure your vehicle is monitored 24/7 even when it's not in motion. Motion detection or collision is used to trigger the camera. Then there are various video settings beyond this that you can tailor to your needs. This camera also has excellent night vision capabilities. It uses a Sony sensor f1.4 aperture that provides the lens with plenty of light and infrared LEDs. Digging further into the box, it also comes with a USB adapter for the SD card, a micro SD card so there's no need to buy your own, power cable to hardwire it in, windshield suction cup mount, auxiliary 12-volt power adapter, rear-facing camera with wiring, USB cable, and finally a user manual. Almost full satin black finish construction, so it remains stealthy in your windshield. This dash camera is equipped with 2 built-in cameras, one facing forward and the other one facing the interior of the vehicle. The interior camera can rotate 280 degrees to cover all angles and adjust a wide variety of windshield slopes. To top it off, the camera uses a strong magnetic mount to hold the camera in place. I especially like this feature as there's no plastic clip that can deteriorate and fail with age. At the bottom is the control buttons. At the opposite side of the interior camera is a slot for the SD card, rear camera hookup, and power port. Installation is very straightforward if you're using a 12-volt auxiliary port. Ensure your windshield is clean, then install the suction cup mount on your windshield. It's always best to install the camera as high as possible on your windshield to maximize its viewing angle. The camera power cable is plugged in before clipped into the mount. Then adjust your camera's angle as needed. The camera should be about 30 to 40% sky and 60 to 70% of ground. Then plug in the power adapter to the 12-volt outlet. I also like the design of the power adapter as it functions as a USB charger as well. If you are hardwiring the dash camera in so it's permanently installed in one vehicle, you'll need to find a power source hookup in the interior of the vehicle. If one cannot be found, you can tap in through the firewall and go directly to your battery. However, that will mean your camera is powered up all the time if that is your desired option. The wiring can be hidden behind the headliner, in behind the trim along the windshield, and routed up under the dashboard. Lanmodo does have further instructions for the installation. The button controls are located across the bottom, and once you get used to the interface, it's fairly straightforward. Press and hold the power button to toggle the camera on or off. You can enable or disable the start chime in the settings, which I'll show you further on in the video. OK toggles the record on or off, and this will be shown by a red round circle at the top left corner. Pressing M will also take a photo. When the recording is off, press and hold the M to pop up the current recording in the memory card. You can scroll through the files, play a video, fast forward or rewind the video, and then delete or lock them. Pressing the M for a short period will prompt the settings. Here we can adjust the resolution for recording. Higher resolution will increase the quality, but the file sizes are much larger than compared to the lower quality, so that means less room on your memory card. We also have other options such as loop recording, exposure, wide dynamic range which improves the image in high contrast areas, screensaver, parking guard to monitor when your vehicle is stationary, G-sensor sensitivity, audio recording, keypad sound. We have a wide variety of languages, time, Wi-Fi to connect the camera to your smartphone, frequency, image resolution, 2.4 or 5G speeds, night vision, speed units, daylight savings, GPS on or off, time zone, formatting the memory card, default settings, and current version of firmware. We can also use the arrows to select which camera view is shown on the screen. More than one camera will turn into a split screen. The rear camera comes with double-sided adhesive tape so it can be mounted on your rear window or trim. Make sure it is mounted as high as possible to maximize its viewing angle. The rear camera can only be mounted on the inside of the vehicle and it's not meant to be exposed to weather. On my truck I mounted this as high as possible in the back window. It's a good idea to do a test run first, ensuring it is in the right place. The camera can be easily rotated on the bracket as well for easy aiming. The mounting bracket does not allow for left to right movement. Once in place, this monitors what's behind you and is especially great for those who are tailgating you or, in a worst case scenario, monitoring a collision. If you were to mount this in a car, an SUV, or a van, you would have a better view behind you, and this can be even used as an assist for reverse. This camera also has excellent night vision capabilities. It uses a Sony sensor, f1.8 aperture, that provides a lens with plenty of natural light and infrared LEDs. The darkest areas I've driven are country roads with minimal light, and this still maintains excellent quality. Even around town with glare from the lights, the quality is still impressive. Having better headlights will also help improve the visibility for the camera at night. The rear-facing camera isn't the best at night on those darker country roads as it doesn't have any infrared LEDs. However, in the city, with more light around, it does improve a little, and you'll see that further on in the video. The interior camera has infrared LEDs to keep the cabin of the vehicle illuminated without bothering the driver or occupants. It's next to dark inside my vehicle with no light assists, so this is a very dark space. Here's some footage during the day. I'm extremely impressed with the quality and video of this compact camera. All the footage is unedited as well. The image during the day is very crisp and clear. Any details such as a license plate are easily legible, and with a higher resolution you can zoom in with minimal distortion of the image if needed. Having the camera in the interior is a great feature, especially good for business owners or company vehicles. The footage can be used if you were in an accident or one needed to prove they were not distracted. The built-in microphone is a good option in case one is involved with some type of conversation or confrontation, and it can record a license plate if you were to say it out loud. I do have dark tinted windows in my car, so this may affect the interior color some. Overall, I must say I'm quite happy with the finish and performance of the dash camera. Clean design, feels very well made, and the image performance speaks for itself. Being able to hardwire it in is a great feature if you plan on keeping it in one vehicle and don't want to deal with the excessive wiring around the interior space. I do, however, like being able to move the dash camera from one vehicle to another, so I will be sticking with the portable side of it. Even with the compact size, the full-size screen on the back does allow me to easily scroll through the user interface and everything is straightforward. Have you purchased this camera in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.